morning, children.
Good morning, Akka.
How are you?
I am fine, Akka. How are you, Akka?
I am also fine. Okay, tell me your names.
My name is Bindu.
I am studying second class.
My name is Mohit. I am studying second class.
My name is Dharani. I am studying second class. Very good. Okay, today I am asking some sentences in Telugu. You must tell me in English. Okay? Are you ready?